The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes along the line extending from Laurel to 5 miles southeast of Laurel, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Odenton, Fort Meade, Elkridge, Severn, Millersville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is